We firmly stand by and believe that due to the theory of natural selection, the evolution of the human body is either impossible or exceedingly slow. There are many reasons going towards natural selection, but the theory proves otherwise itself. Darwin's theory of natural selection says that people and animals will adapt to the environment. But what if we predict that the environment won't change in the next 20 million years? With the way that the world is going right now, we will only be moving up slowly. We will still rely on production in this age, and going forward, I predict that nothing would change. There are still many stereotypes of people becoming more obese and overweight. That may occur, but only in specific areas. Where food is at a plenty in America and other first world countries, people are more likely to become more obese, but that will not affect evolution. This only affects a certain type of person, or people, which create a new race of some sort, but in fact, still, third and second world countries will outnumber the first world countries. And by the same token, third world countries could still fall into a black hole of poverty and famine, therefore causing a new race of skinny people. But this still doesn't cause evolution to change. The whole world needs to be affected by evolution in order for it to work. On the same note, the world over time will get hotter. Global warming is a continuing effect to our world. Maybe our bodies will adapt, and it will grow another generation of people that are more resistant to heat. I believe that this is not part of evolution, however, because our bodies and our genes may not be so capable of changing the complexion of our tones so easily. This process can take more than 1 million years, and is highly unlikely.
So what happens? At the rate of development the world is currently undergoing, we aren't anywhere near fit to another stage of evolution. We aren't going to build castles in the sky anytime soon, so why would evolution change? Evolution would only happen to us if we were put in the situation in which our bodies are finding it hard to cope with its current environment. Maybe that's why people have a darker complexion in Africa. Their complexion helps them cope with the sun. This is what people call natural selection, the way in which people change and evolve so that we can withstand these conditions that are forced upon us. What would happen if the world just started to get too hot for us to live on land? The ozone layer is gone, the sun's rays are beaming down on us. Somehow we would have to adapt to this. The only thing I can think of is if we grow gills and live underwater. Now, I know that you just can't grow gills overnight, and it would take thousands and thousands of years. This would only occur if the human species could even manage to live that long.